the last video we have talked about the question number 3. For this video we're going to talk about question number 4. And so let's start with the question. Derive the Simpson's rule using Newton-Cotes formula. As you can see, we have here Newton-Cotes formula. And now in this Newton-Cotes formula we would put the value of n as 2. As always, when we as you can see, this is the Newton-Cotes formula. This is the Newton-Cotes what do you call the number. And so after opening the whole summation, we would just take the value till y2 as we ignore the value after we ignore the higher differences after 2 in Simpson's 1/3 rule. So after this we would take the first C02 is equals to 1/2 integration of L0 by u by du. As you can see here, I have already written the formula, like the expanded form of the formula, and you can see that the C2 is opened up. I mean, just like the combination, just like combination works out, and so every other form of the combination is expanded. Here you can see the L1 u du part is also expanded. The u2 by u minus u1 by u by 2 and u3 by 6 by minus u2. You can see all the method, all the term that we have used in this formula is being all the combination that we have used is being expanded in the next step. And so you can see that the C20 is equals to half L0 u by du. C2 by 1 is equals to half integration from 2 to 0 L1 u du. So as you can see, the whole term is being expanded. On to the next part, which is, let me see. Okay, so after doing that, after expanding the whole thing, we would come up with this solution after integrating all those expanded forms. We had expanded it inside the integration. Now the next step is to solve that integration that is there. So after solving the integration, we have reached this. I'm sorry for that. Let me just clear this up. Okay, and so you can see that the C20 is equals to 1/4 u3 by 3 minus u to the power 3 by 3 minus 3 u to the power 2 by 2. So you can see the expanded form here is integrated and the limit is defined here. So we would just put the value of limits inside and get the value as 8 by 3 minus 6 plus 4. Then we would get the value of next combination, which would be 4 minus 8 by 3. Then 4 by 3 minus 4 to the power of the whole thing. And so this is how the whole combination would work, which would C20 is equals to 1 by 6, C21 is equals to 4 by 6, and C22 is equals to 1 by 6. And putting all the all the values in the first equation that we have seen here, that we have seen in this equation, all the values now that we have generated is to be put here. C02, C12, C22, the whole thing that we have generated now is been used in this formula. And so on to the next step, we would just put the values, and we could see our familiar Simpson 1/3 rule through this formula. So we can say that we can generate the whole Simpson 1 by 3 rule from Newton-Cotes rule. And so with this, the question number 3 part B ends.